Welcome to Professor Grace's graphic class. Before you start this lesson, download the linked reference file and please watch the ad until the end so you can receive better content. In this tutorial, we are going to cover how to use guides and smart guides. Illustrator provides guides and smart guides. First, let's take a look at the guides. To bring up the ruler, go to View, Rulers, and select the Show Rulers menu, or press the shortcut key Ctrl R. Click the mouse on the top ruler and drag it to the top 2 cm of the artboard to add a horizontal guide. Click the left ruler again and drag it to the 2 cm left of the artboard to add a vertical guide. Click the corner of the ruler and drag it to the upper right corner of the artboard to change the starting point of the ruler. In this state, click and drag on the left ruler to add a guide 2 cm from the right border of the artboard. Double-click on the corner of the ruler to reset the starting position of the ruler. Again, click on the top ruler and add a guide by dragging it to add the bottom 19 cm position of the artboard. Click and drag the ruler again to add another guide on the center of the artboard. You can move around freely at any time by clicking and dragging the guides you are added to the artboard. This time, we'll take a look how to hide the guides. From the View menu, select Guides, Hide Guides menu, or press Ctrl-semicolon. Now press Ctrl-semicolon to show the hidden guides again. Guides that are once hidden and redisplayed are automatically locked and can't be selected or moved by clicking and dragging. To unlock a locked guide, go to View, Guides, and select the Lock Guides menu, or press the shortcut key Alt-Ctrl-semicolon. The lock is released and the guides can be freely selected and moved. You can remove unnecessary guides at any time by selecting the guide you want to delete and pressing Delete key on the keyboard. When a guide is on an object, it may occasionally interfere to select the object, or the position of the guide may be changed by mistake. To avoid this problem, you can lock the guides again by pressing the shortcut key Alt-Ctrl-semicolon. If you want to remove all the guides shown on the artboard at once, go to View, Guides, and select the Clear Guides menu. You can see all the guides are deleted. Now, hold down spacebar on the keyboard and drag the mouse down to move to the second artboard page. As we have seen, the basic form of the guide is a straight line in the horizontal and vertical directions. However, any form of path can be converted into a guide. Let's convert the flower-shaped object into guides. First, click and drag the mouse to select the entire flower object. Go to View, Guides, and select the Make Guides menu, or press the shortcut key Ctrl-5. The color of the flower disappears and you can see that the path objects have been converted to guides. Press the shortcut key Ctrl-semicolon to hide the guides. Press the Ctrl-semicolon again to show hidden flowers shape guides. Press the shortcut key Alt-Ctrl-semicolon to unlock the guides. You can also copy the guide by selecting the flower-shaped guide, pressing Alt on the keyboard, and dragging the mouse. Press delete to delete the copied flower shape guide. As you've seen before, you can convert to any guide, no matter what shape it is. If you want to return the guide to the normal object again, select the flower shape guide and select the View, Guides, Release Guides menu, or press the shortcut key Alt Ctrl 5. You can see that the guide returns to the normal path object and the original colors are restored as they are. In my case, I usually convert the objects into guides when I create a reference file that helps students to practice drawing objects along the guides. Let's take a look at the Smart Guide. Go to View and select the Smart Guides menu, or press the shortcut key Ctrl U to see the Smart Guide. When you move the mouse to the flower, Smart Guides display various information as the small pop-up text, such as the anchor point, the location, and the path, following the movement of the mouse. Also, when you move the mouse to the center of the circle, it shows where the center of the object is. So, you can use Smart Guide to find the center of the object easily. However, Smart Guides are somewhat overly kind, and sometimes they are annoying when we work in Illustrator. For these reasons, if you want to turn off the Smart Guides, press Ctrl U on the keyboard. That's the basics of the guides and the Smart Guides. I hope this tutorial has helped you to understand the guides and the Smart Guides. Thank you for watching Professor Grace's Illustrator lecture. Please watch the next video in order to follow all the courses without skipping a lesson. To keep learning and master Illustrator, please press the subscribe and the like buttons.